Right then guys, a little Mini Cooper, give you a quick run round. Obviously in silver and grey interior, 124k on the clock. Usual bit of wear on the seat that you get with that mileage. Just one key. There's your information there regarding the car. Oh, fairly clean underneath there. All looks quite sound on there. We've had to jump start it a couple of times guys, so I think you're going to be into a new battery. So just bear that in mind. Some age related marks as usual, again with the miles on the front. Someone's going to scratch it there and there. There you go guys, hopefully that'll give you an idea.